Our species has gazed at the stars for millennia. Are we alone? Is there another Earth out there? These questions drive our exploration of space. We dream of new worlds, new frontiers, yet finding a planet like Earth seems increasingly unlikely. Our planet is a unique oasis in the solar system, so where else could humanity go? The answer may lie not in a distant star system, but within our own cosmic backyard. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, beckons with a strange and alluring charm. Could this celestial body hold the key to humanity's future among the stars? Titan is a moon unlike any other. It's larger than the planet Mercury and boasts a dense atmosphere, a rarity in our solar system. This atmosphere, rich in nitrogen and methane, creates a hazy, otherworldly beauty. Beneath its hazy veil lies a world of surprising familiarity. Titan has lakes, rivers, and even rain. But these aren't composed of water. Instead, liquid methane flows across its surface, carving canyons and shaping its terrain. Imagine a world where natural gas falls from the sky like rain. This is Titan. Could humans survive, even thrive on such a world? The challenges are immense, the conditions extreme. Yet, the potential rewards are equally tantalizing.
Titan beckons, but the journey is daunting. The distance between Earth and Titan is vast. Even with our most advanced technology, a one-way trip would take years. Imagine the isolation, the confinement, the psychological toll on a crew embarking on such a journey. Then there's the issue of radiation. Space is a harsh mistress. Cosmic rays and solar flares pose constant threats to human life. We would need to develop advanced shielding technologies to protect future Titans from these invisible dangers. Landing on Titan presents its own challenges. The atmosphere is thick, but not like Earth's. Our traditional spacecraft designs wouldn't survive re-entry. We'd need innovative heat shields and landing systems. Keeping humans warm and functional in such a frigid environment would be a monumental engineering feat.
Despite the challenges, Titan offers some surprising advantages. Its thick atmosphere, while hostile, also provides protection. It shields the surface from harmful radiation, a luxury we don't have on Mars. Titan's lakes and seas are filled with methane, a potential source of both fuel and energy. Imagine a colony powered by methane rain, a self-sustaining outpost in the depths of space. The low gravity is another plus. Titan's gravity is about 14% of Earth's. Humans could potentially fly with artificial wings in this low-gravity environment. Titan's potential for scientific discovery is immense. Life on Titan would necessitate a radical departure from our earthly norms. Our habitats would need to be self-contained, sealed environments, protecting us from the harsh external conditions. Imagine living in pressurized domes connected by tunnels. These domes could house living quarters, research labs, and even hydroponic farms, providing a sustainable food source. Artificial lighting would mimic the day-night cycle, regulating our circadian rhythms. Venturing outside would require specialized suits, protecting us from the cold, low pressure, and unbreathable atmosphere. These suits would need to be flexible, allowing for exploration and research on Titan's diverse terrain. Communication with Earth would be a challenge, with significant time lags due to the vast distances. We would need to adapt to a new pace of life, a new form of communication. Life on Titan would be a test of our resilience, our ingenuity, and our ability to adapt to the most extreme of environments.
Imagine waking up on Titan. The light filtering through the dome's ceiling is soft, an imitation of Earth's sun. Your internal clock, however, is set to Titan time. A day on Titan lasts nearly 16 Earth days. This means weeks of continuous daylight followed by weeks of darkness. You don your specialized suit, a marvel of engineering designed to withstand the extreme cold. The suit hums to life, its internal heaters combating the -290-degree chill. Stepping outside the dome's airlock, you feel the strange lightness of Titan's low gravity. The landscape is breathtaking. Vast plains of ice and rock stretch towards the horizon. Methane rivers snake across the surface, reflecting the hazy orange sky. Your work for the day takes you to a nearby methane lake.
Titan's Methane Seas are a focal point of scientific curiosity and future human activity. These vast bodies of liquid methane, far larger than any lake on Earth, hold potential both as a resource and a scientific marvel. Imagine submarines, specifically designed for Titan's dense methane, exploring the depths of these alien seas. These submersibles would be equipped with advanced sensors, mapping the seafloor and searching for signs of hydrothermal vents, which might harbor unique life forms. The methane itself could be a game changer for a Titan colony. It's a potent fuel source, readily available for energy production. Imagine methane-powered generators providing electricity for the habitats, fueling vehicles, and even powering spacecraft for return trips to Earth. The extraction and utilization of methane would require innovative engineering solutions.
Life on Titan wouldn't be solely reliant on Earth's resources. The moon itself holds a surprising bounty of raw materials, waiting to be harvested and utilized by resourceful colonists. Water ice, a precious commodity in space, is abundant on Titan. Beneath the surface, vast glaciers of water ice lie dormant, potential sources of drinking water and even oxygen through electrolysis. Mining these ice reserves would be crucial for a self-sustaining colony. Titan's atmosphere, while hostile, is a treasure trove of nitrogen. This element, essential for plant growth, could be extracted and used to create fertile soil for hydroponic farms within the domes. Imagine vast indoor fields, bathed in artificial sunlight, providing fresh food for the colony.
Life on Titan would shape not just our technology but our culture. The challenges of this alien world would foster a new generation of explorers, scientists, and engineers, driven by a shared purpose, to build a future for humanity among the stars. Imagine a society where cooperation is paramount, where the survival of the colony depends on the contributions of every individual. The isolation of Titan would foster a strong sense of community, a shared destiny among those who call this moon home. The vastness of Titan's wilderness, its alien beauty, would inspire new forms of art, music, and literature. Imagine poems about the Methane Seas, paintings depicting the hazy orange sky, and symphonies echoing the sounds of the wind across the icy plains. The Titanian Spirit would be one of resilience, ingenuity, and a deep connection to their new home. They would be pioneers in the truest sense, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and experience, forging a new path for our species in the vast expanse of space.
The human story is one of adaptation. We've conquered mountains, deserts, and even the icy plains of Antarctica. But Titan presents a unique challenge, one that would test the very fabric of our societies and reshape our understanding of what it means to be human. On Earth, our identities are often tied to our nationalities, our cultures, our hometowns. But what happens when your home is a celestial body millions of miles away from the planet of your ancestors? What does it mean to be a Titanian? For the first generation, the ties to Earth would be strong. They would carry with them the memories, the traditions, the stories of the world they left behind. But for their children born under the hazy orange sky, Titan would be the only home they've ever known.
Communication with Earth would remain a constant, albeit delayed, thread connecting the colonists to their origins. Imagine waiting hours for a message to reach Earth and receiving a reply days later. The immediacy of our current communication would be gone, replaced by a more deliberate, thoughtful exchange. This distance would necessitate a greater degree of autonomy for the Titan colony. Decisions that were once relayed back to Earth for guidance would now need to be made on Titan by the people who call this moon home. This newfound independence would foster self-reliance, innovation, and a unique cultural identity. The isolation of Titan, though physically separating the colonists from Earth, might also serve to strengthen their bonds with each other. The shared challenges, the reliance on one another for survival, could forge a deep sense of community and interconnectedness.
The harsh environment and limited resources of Titan would necessitate a different societal structure than what we're accustomed to on Earth. The emphasis would likely shift from individualism to collectivism, where the well-being of the colony takes precedence over individual desires. Imagine a society where resources are carefully managed and distributed, where waste is minimized, and where cooperation is not just encouraged but essential for survival. The concepts of competition and consumerism, so prevalent on Earth, might fade into the background as the focus shifts to sustainability and collective prosperity. The need for specialized skills and knowledge would likely lead to a highly educated population, with an emphasis on science, engineering, and technology. Education wouldn't just be about acquiring knowledge, but about applying it to solve real-world problems, to ensure the colony's survival and growth. The traditional social hierarchies of Earth, based on wealth or status, might give way to a more egalitarian society on Titan. The value of an individual would be determined not by their possessions, but by their contributions to the community, their skills, and their willingness to work for the common good. Earth's cultural legacy blends with Titan's unique experiences, creating a hybrid culture. Stories and traditions from Earth are reinterpreted through Titan's lens. Children hear tales of a blue planet with a bright sun, sparking their curiosity. Art and literature flourish on Titan, infused with its alien spirit. The human spirit finds new expression on Titan through creativity.
Time on Titan flows differently. It's measured not just in Earth years, but in the slow, steady progress of a colony finding its footing on an alien world. The early decades would be marked by challenges, by the constant struggle for survival, by the daunting task of building a self-sustaining outpost in the depths of space. Imagine the first harvest from the hydroponic farms, the celebration of a new dome completed, the relief of a successful methane extraction operation. Each milestone, each triumph over adversity would be a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. As the colony matures, as it moves towards self-sufficiency, the focus would shift from survival to growth. New technologies would emerge, tailored to the unique challenges and opportunities of Titan. The colony's infrastructure would expand, with new habitats, research facilities, and even industrial centers taking shape.
The success of the Titan colony would have profound implications for humanity's future in space. It would prove that we are capable of surviving, even thriving, on worlds vastly different from our own. This knowledge would embolden us to reach further, to set our sights on even more ambitious goals. Imagine expeditions to the icy worlds of Europa and Enceladus. The technologies developed for Titan would pave the way for these future explorations. The Titan colony could become a hub for missions deeper into the cosmos. The low gravity and resources of Titan would make it ideal for constructing interstellar spacecraft. The dream of becoming a multi-planetary species would start to feel within reach.
As humanity ventures further into space, our relationship with Earth will evolve. Colonists on Titan will develop unique cultures and traditions. Their connection to Earth will remain, shaped by distance and shared history. Imagine children on Earth learning about Titanian colonies, marveling at their ingenuity. Cultural exchanges would flourish, enriching both societies. Resources from Titan could address Earth's challenges, fostering global unity. The expansion into space deepens our connection to Earth, reminding us of its fragility.
Looking back at our history, we see a species driven by curiosity, a desire to explore and push boundaries. The children born on Titan will inherit this legacy. They will grow up with wonder, dreaming of worlds beyond. The journey to Titan is about expanding our horizons and embracing infinite possibilities. We are children of the stars, and our destiny lies among them.
The prospect of humans inhabiting Titan is both daunting and exhilarating. We've explored the immense challenges, from the unforgiving climate to the vast distances. Yet we've also uncovered the tantalizing possibilities, from methane-powered cities to the discovery of unique life forms. Imagine a future where Titan is no longer an alien outpost, but a thriving hub of human activity. Children born under the hazy orange sky gaze up at Saturn's rings with the same wonder we reserve for our own moon. They study the history of their ancestors' journey from Earth, marveling at their courage and ingenuity. The Titanian society, shaped by the challenges of their environment, has developed a deep respect for resourcefulness, cooperation, and the pursuit of knowledge. They've unlocked the secrets of Titan's Methane Seas, harnessing its energy to power their cities and fuel their exploration of the outer solar system. They remain connected to Earth, sharing their discoveries and insights with their distant cousins. The cultural exchange flows both ways, enriching both societies and reminding them of their shared humanity across the vastness of space. The journey to Titan compels us to confront fundamental questions about our place in the cosmos. Are we destined to become a spacefaring species, venturing into the great unknown? The challenges are immense, demanding innovation and a relentless spirit of exploration. Yet the rewards offer new discoveries and the expansion of human knowledge. Titan serves as a powerful reminder of the vast possibilities that await us. It's a call to explore, to push boundaries, and to embrace the unknown with courage and wonder.